The maintenance required soon light on your 2015-2022 Lexus RX 350 indicates that your vehicle is due for routine maintenance, such as an oil change or tire rotation. This yellow warning light appears on your dashboard when the vehicle's computer detects it's time for maintenance. It's triggered by the vehicle's computer based on mileage or time intervals, typically every 5,000 to 7,500 miles or 6 to 12 months. Resetting the light is separate from the actual maintenance and only clears the reminder. The maintenance light is part of the Engine Control Module, or ECM, which monitors your vehicle's systems. It activates based on driving cycles, including starts, stops, and idle time, not just mileage. This helps ensure regular maintenance. The light turns on based on these driving patterns to remind you of service needs. Resetting the light itself doesn't affect your engine's oil level or health. It only clears the reminder. It's crucial to reset the light only after you've actually performed the required maintenance, like an oil change. Ignoring the light can void your vehicle's warranty or result in skipping important services. Without resetting, you won't know when your next real maintenance is scheduled, potentially leading to costly repairs down the road. Before resetting the maintenance light, ensure all required maintenance, like oil changes, has been completed. Gather your car keys and find the trip meter reset button on the dashboard. Park safely and prepare any tools such as an optional code reader for older models. Finally, have your service records ready. For 2015-2019 Lexus RX 350 models, the reset procedure involves a specific sequence using the trip meter reset button. First, turn the ignition to the on position without starting the engine. Next, press the trip meter reset button until the odometer reading appears on the display. Then turn the ignition off. Press and hold the trip meter reset button while turning the ignition back to the on position. Continue holding the button until the odometer shows all zeros and the maintenance light turns off. This process may take 10 to 15 seconds. For 2020-2022 Lexus RX 350 models, follow these steps to reset the maintenance light. First, turn the ignition to the on position without starting the engine. Next, use the trip meter reset button to switch the display to trip A. Then, turn the ignition completely off. Press and hold the trip meter reset button while turning the ignition back to the on position. Keep holding the button until the maintenance light resets and the display shows zeros. For some 2020-2022 models, you may need to navigate to the Vehicle Settings menu on the infotainment screen to reset the light. If the reset fails, try repeating the steps carefully. Ensure you are holding the trip meter reset button continuously throughout the process. For older 2015 models, a faulty trip button or outdated ECM software may prevent the reset, requiring a dealership flash update or visit. Code readers can help diagnose these issues. Post-2020 RX 350 models feature the Lexus Multimedia System, allowing maintenance data to sync with mobile apps like My Lexus for convenient monitoring. Digital trends show owners increasingly adopting OBD2 apps for remote monitoring, giving access to real-time vehicle diagnostics. Future Lexus models may integrate AI-driven systems for automatic maintenance scheduling, potentially eliminating the need for manual resets altogether. Always reset the maintenance light after performing the required service to ensure proper vehicle monitoring. Incorrect resets can trigger check engine lights if sensors detect anomalies, potentially indicating issues. While DIY resets are widely documented, Lexus certified technicians recommend dealer resets to maintain warranty coverage. DIY errors can lead to ECM-related service calls, so professional assistance may be preferable. Always consult your vehicle's manual for specific instructions to ensure proper procedure.